We see you, we feel you, and we know that sometimes feeling everything at once becomes heavier than any word you could ever say. We, the Pleiadians, are guardians of the human emotional field, and when we look into your heart, we see something sacred. You were never too sensitive. You were simply feeling alone. There is a reason your inner world is so intense. It is not a weakness, it is a spiritual sensor, a luminous radar that perceives frequencies others overlook. But tell me, have you noticed how, in these last days, your heart has been asking for a quiet pause? As if a soft voice inside whispered, "Please, don't carry everything by yourself today. We are here for that. Today, we will ease the invisible weight you've been holding inside your chest." Quando uma mulher sente tudo, cada vibração se torna uma mensagem. A alegria chega mais brilhante, a dor chega mais profunda. E o mundo, às vezes parece grande demais para caber dentro do peito dela. Exatamente aqui que nós, Pleiadianos, intervimos. Quando a sua sensibilidade neo encontra onde descansar. Quando o seu campo emocional fica superstimulado. Quando o seu coração carrega mais do que deveria carregar sozinha. Nós trabalhamos diretamente no seu campo emocional. Neo para mudar com você, mas para restaurar as partes que foram esticadas além do limite. Diga-me, quantas vezes o seu cansaço foi emocional? E neo físico? Quantas vezes o seu corpo esteve parado? Mas o seu coração cansado como se tivesse vivido 1000 dias em março? Hoje, queremos lhe dar algo que ninguém explicou. Seu coração precisa de permissão. Permissão para desacelerar. Permissão para não sentir tudo ao mesmo tempo. Permissão para existir sem precisar ser forte a cada segundo. So tell me, what does your heart truly need today? Not tomorrow, not someday, today. Your heart needs something simple, yet profoundly forgotten. Space to breathe, and space to feel only what belongs to you. Right now, as you hear my voice, we touch the luminous center of your emotional field. There is a small shift happening, soft, delicate, almost imperceptible, but real. Your energy begins to reorganize itself, slowly returning to a rhythm that your soul recognizes. The sensitivity that once overwhelmed you is already transforming into clarity. Not because the world mudou, but porque você não está mais sentindo tudo sozinha. We are here holding what transbordo, stabilizing the vibrations that ficaram soltas dentro de você. Recolocando no lugar emoções que não encontravam forma, e devolvendo a você algo que sempre foi seu, a sensação de que seu coração pode ficar em paz sem pedir licença. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt a small easing inside your chest? Like a knot loosening? Like a breath you didn't know you were holding finally leaving your body? If you sense even a fragment of that now, then your healing has already begun. This is what your heart needs today. A moment where you are allowed to simply exist, without carregar o mundo inteiro dentro de você. Now breathe with me. Your sensitivity is not a burden. It is a doorway, and today you walk through it with support instead of solitude. We, the Pleiadians, remain beside you. We stand in the quiet places of your heart, protecting the parts of you that stayed vulnerable for far too long. For women who feel everything, we offer what the world rarely offers, a safe place for the heart to rest. And hear this deeply, you do not need to apologize for feeling intensely. You do not need to explain why your heart senses what others overlook. Your emotional field was created to perceive truth, not to carry the weight of everyone around you. Today, a piece of you finally returned home. Your heart is reorganizing, Your energy is softening. Your inner light is becoming clearer, steadier, stronger. Tell me, can you feel this quiet expansion? This subtle warmth in your chest? This gentle moment where something inside you finally exhales? Before we close, we leave you a ritual, a frequency designed to anchor the healing that began within you. Small orange diamond ritual to write in the comments. I allow my heart to heal. When you write these words, you give shape to your healing. You turn intention into energy. You allow restoration to deepen. And you affirm to the universe that your light is returning to its rightful place. Because this moment, this breath, this awakening, this soft return, is where your healing truly begins.